Come on, please share your answer for all the three questions.
What is the purpose of your life? The purpose of my life is being a mother and gain spiritual experience and shed my karmas and layers. What do you aspire to? I aspire that my children grow up to be responsible and happy persons, be mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually healthy. These are my aspirations. What is it that keeps you alive? My children keep me alive, hope keeps me alive, and meditation keeps me alive. What motivates you to awake each day? My children again. What do you value most in your life? Again, my children and my connection with my inner self. How do you plan to achieve what you aspire? Through meditation. Are all your actions aligned? Not yet, but I'm trying. What is your reason to attend this program? Get peace with myself. What do you hope to get? Understand myself, recover from past traumas, make peace with myself and become stronger.
Wonderful. You have set a clear thought trend. Now I can infuse energy into you. I can awaken your Kundalini. Your Kundalini will have a direction. Understand? How many of you understand what I am saying? See, she has set a clear trend. Means she is now clear about what she wants and what is her problem. Now I can push her Kundalini Shakti to travel in the right direction.
Thank you, Master.
Yes. Great. Come on, go ahead.
Purpose of life is to enjoy, find peace in every minor thing I do, spread smile to people I meet, and continue enjoying my life, my living in the spice of Advaita by your blessings. Important purposes of life is I'm doing my chartered accountancy. I want to clear off my CA final exams, as you say, complete it and get rid of it, and want to find my dream job.
No. Complete and get rid of it means you think that complete. See,
only the exams.
Completing the course is the driving license you get. After that, you are going to start driving. If you have so much of hatred to get rid of it, how are you?
Get rid of just exams.
Okay, but what you are say, you want to complete the examination. There is something which you don't like, you want to get rid of it. In this whole syllabus, examination and all that. But this is the subject with which you are going to spend your whole life. Don't you see, if you have a subtle hatred and incompletion, that is going to lead to a constant tiredness and boredom? You should be very clear, your whole life is going to be numbers. Understand? So, I think you need to complete, if you have any hatred towards the subject and syllabus with which you are working.
It's not actually hatred, it's just laziness to study. Just
No,
the time.
no, please understand, laziness, tiredness, boredom, all these are nothing but conflicts inside. Understand?
Yeah.
Last 15 days I have not slept. There are many witnesses, eyewitnesses for that. How many of you are here whose houses I have visited now? Oh, okay. Just now, just today morning, yes, only one person is here. Just yesterday night I came back. 15 days no sleep. It will go up to late night 2:30 and early morning 4:30 it starts. And even in between, don't think I can sleep in the car, because every 10 minutes there will be one reception or a house, darshan, something. Continuous. And yesterday night I landed. Today morning I am back for morning satsang. Everywhere, the only thing people ask, whether it is morning 4:30 or night 2:30, Swami is fresh. When I get down from the vehicle, that is the first thing people ask. Especially these media guys who wait. அப்படியே செதுக்குன சில மாதிரியே இறங்கி வராரேடா. That is a comment I heard. Means he comes down as if a carved deity. And late 2:30, late night, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, how he is coming down like a carved deity? The only secret is I have no conflict about what I am doing. I am completely convinced what I am doing is the best for the world and for me. Understand? Yes. All aspects of what I am doing, I am convinced about it. So you need to be convinced about all aspects of what you are doing. Laziness, tiredness, boredom is nothing but your own conflicts and parts of you not convinced about you.
And also a bit of negative energy which is around me.
No, there is, please understand, there is no negative energy other than your incompletions. Nobody can send any black magic to you, don't worry. Understand? Nobody is sending any black magic. And if you complete within you, no black magic will work on you. How many of you understand? See, the next step is understanding about who you are. That is what is the next session. I'll lead you into that. Before that, I'll just listen to some more of your.
Thank you.
Yes. You understood what I am saying?
Yes.
See, do not ever put the negative blame on negative energy. No negative energy. It is we not completely convinced about what we want to be or what we are. Understand?
Yeah.
We not being convinced. That's where the whole thing is. Yes, please go ahead.
I had a lot of confusion with your first
Question.
work, yeah. But after you spoke, I'm much more clearer about the purpose. I didn't even know if I had any purpose. In fact, now I'm very clear that I have 3 main purposes. One is to help through his purpose of life, which is possible only through your guidance. Otherwise, it's impossible for me to do it. The second is to complete with all the relationships in my life, including that of my mother. Again, without you, which is impossible. To enrich all near and dear ones, to all those who are in trouble, to all those who are confused about their purposes in life, about Swamiji, to connect them with Swamiji, which I am doing in my own way, in my best possible way.
So you are clear about these 3 purposes.
Yes.
Now answer the next questions.
Yeah. What is it that keeps you alive? What motivates you wake up every day is Swamiji. Sometimes I feel the way he speaks, I wonder whether it is you who's speaking or he is speaking. I can really feel your energy through him. What do you value most in your life? It's you, Swamiji. How do you plan to achieve what you aspire to? Are all your actions in life aligned to this? I think the only way I can achieve what I want is to be connected more to you in person and not just in heart, by doing more courses with you and to grasp more of your teachings. What is your reason to attend this program? What do you hope to get from it? The only reason why I'm here is I want to learn the essence of completion. I think I'm highly incomplete and I don't know how to do completion. The only reason why I'm here is to do completion, Swamiji.
So now you are very clear. I saw your thought trend is completely clear.
Yes.
There is no contradiction about your thought trend. No. Now I am very clear where to infuse your Kundalini energy.
Yes, Swamiji.
Great.
Just help me do completion.
Tathastu. I'll do it. I'll surely do it. Please come. Help him. No, please help him.
Yeah. What is the purpose of your life and what do you aspire to? To find reality and to be a good researcher. Second question. What is that keeps you alive? What motivates you to wake up every day? Human knowledge is incomplete and to find out complete knowledge of world. Third, what do you value most in your life? Knowledge. How do you plan to achieve what you aspire to? Or all your actions in life align to this thinking and action? Thank you so much.
Tatastu. Is also clear?
Yes.
You tell, you are clear? I can infuse your Kundalini energy into it. Great. Did you all understand? Even if you are confused, it is not wrong. If you know you are confused, that's enough. That's all I need now. Even if you are confused, if you know you are confused, that is enough for me, because now I can help you to come out of it. See, I have no problem if you have incompletion, but I have problem if you don't know you have incompletion. If you know you have incompletion, I can simply help you to come out of it. You see, if you know this part of you is muscle and this part of you is bone, this part of you is tumor, I can just remove the tumor. But if you start thinking the tumor part is your muscle, you will not allow me to cut that. If I cut, you will say, get out. Why are you cutting my muscles? Why are you cutting my bone? If you are clear about which part of you is tumor, which part of you is muscle, which part of you is bone, I can easily help you and infuse Kundalini energy into your purpose. This whole first session, the whole beginning, understand, this is not the first session for the 2-day program. It's the first session for your whole life. Understand, this is the reality and it is the truth. You are not here for just 2-day program. You are here to discover a new world for your life. And in my experience, I tell you, you may walk in for 2-day program, but you will be there forever. Learning and discovering. How many of you are here? Please listen. You also came for some 2-day program only, but you are here forever. Raise your hand. Just look around. All of them came just for 2-day program only at one time. So understand, you are here to transform your whole life, see the complete new life. This whole first session is all about clarity, bringing clarity on your purpose.